What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. What's up streams, Twitch, YouTube, what's up? Let's see, today we're continuing. Let's see, I'm almost done with the accessibility section, then I'm gonna start moving on to these over here. So, let's get to it. I'm gonna do 20 minutes today because obviously yesterday I did 25 and I wasn't able to do it. So let's do what I gotta do. Alright, so applied accessibility with color blindness issues by using sufficient contrast. Okay, sort of like what happened the other day. That's hella stuff to read through, so I'll just do that like I normally do it, and then I'll go back and read. CamperCat is experimenting with using color for his blog test. And background by his current combination of greenish. Yeah, I'd say that's an ugly combination. Maybe a bit lighter on the colors. Everyone has ugly for me, in my opinion. But like, you know, everyone has their own opinion. So, alright, so by his current combination of greenish background color. Okay, with maroon. What is the other color? Oh, that's the text, and then that's the background. Okay. HSL, I forgot. You can also make colors. I think we already went through this one, through this type of color editing. You can also make colors this way. I forgot what it is. What is it? Lightness? I forgot what it was. What is this? The hue? Yeah, that's the hue. What was it at 120? That's the hue. This is what? The lightness? The strength of the color? Is that what it is? Oh, is it the grayishness? Grayishness? It is. Well, most colors have gray in it, but you can. Okay. And then what is this right here? Like, let's say, let me do 50, so 60. So what is this right here? The light, oh, the lightness. All right. So let me restart it because I forgot the colors. Bruh. Alright, so you can easily adjust the lightness of the colors since he declared them using the CSS. By changing the third argument, increase the background color, which would be increase the background color lightness from 35 to 55. It's a little better. And what else? And decrease the color lightness from 20 to make that darker. I say that's fine, but I guess they want me to make it darker. It doesn't make much of a difference, but let's see. So it improves it from 2.51 to 5.91. Does look better though. Alright, avoid color blindness issues by carefully using colors that convey information. Let's see. CamperCat is testing different styles for an important button, but the yellow and the green are neighboring hues in the color wheel. You can try just the black. You can do, what is it, 000? Whoops. That looks fine. As long as you can see the yellow. That's what I would do. But the yellow and the green, okay, neighbor hues and virtually indistinguishable for some colorblind users. There's similar lightness, also fails a contrast ratio check. Change the color text to a dark blue. To a dark blue. Which would be you can barely hold on. I can barely tell that's blue, bro. Let me know in the comment section, bro. That looks black to me, but look, this is black right here. Then that's dark blue. Let me try it on here real quick. Maybe if I see more of it. Oh, see right here you can tell. Cause there's more of it. That's actually a nice color. It's kinda, well, no, this is more like a navy. But it looks good. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, right here it just looks black because it's like 1 pixel, bro. Alright. That's pretty much it. And these are various forms of color blindness. So they can't be too similar. That's basically what I'm getting from here. They can't be too similar. Deep dots with master camper cat. Let's see. Give links meaning by using descriptive link text. The link text that camper cat is using is not very descriptive without the surrounding context. Click here for information about batteries. Move the anchor tags so they wrap around the text information about batteries instead. Wait. Information about batteries. Information about batteries. I guess so. I mean, the other one makes sense to me because click here, or you can do here. Oh, you can do just here. I've seen a lot of websites that do that. Click here and then they have the description over here, but in this case it's going to be just that. It's fine too. Make links navigable. I didn't know that was a word, bro, but navigatable. That sounds more like it. With HTML access keys. Access keys, I remember that, but I don't know how to use it, so let's see. Campercat wants the links around the 2 blog article titles to have keyboard shortcuts so his site users can quickly navigate to the full story. Add an access key attribute to both links and set the first one to G. It's in the word, so literally you just press a letter and it goes to that section. Alright, so add an access key attribute to both links, which would be, where is it, right here? I don't see a button, but I do see this right here. Access And I'm gonna do the same for the other one. For the first one, what was it? It was Chuck Norris, a cat person. What? The Garfield faucet. G for the Garfield. And C for Chuck. Even sad panda smiles. So, how can we test this real quick? Let me see. So, according to this, what is it? C? I'm pressing it. It doesn't. Is it working? Hold on. Yeah, it's working, but I'm pressing it, but it's not working. Let's see. How about G? No, it's not working. Applied accessibility, make. Oh, I already did that. Use tab index to add keyboard focus to an element. Add focus to an element. What did I do? He knows input fields automatically get keyboard focus, but he wants to make sure his keyboard users at the instructions while tabbing through the items at a tab index. Attribute to the p tag and set its value to 0. Bonus: using tab index also enables the CSS pseudo class focus. I don't know what that does yet, but the focus tab. Let me do this first. Tab index to the p tag. So which one? This is right? Tab index. Set it to 0. Tab index attribute. What does that do? Tab index. Is that how many? Tab index 1. Let me see. Tab index. What is it? For what? Instructions. Fill in. Okay, what do I do? What do I do for? Save? No save. Tab index 4, 5, no, oops, no. What does it do? Set tabbing order using the tab index attribute. What about the focus? CSS. Focus. It adds style to element when it has focus. I see. So when it's on there, when the little dot, when you click on it, it'll turn yellow. I see. Makes could be useful actually. Alright. Let's go. Use TABINDEX to specify the order of keyboard focus for several elements. Campercat has a search field on his inspirational quotes. That he plans to position in the upper right corner with CSS. He wants to search input and submit input from controls to be the first two items in the tab order. He wants the search input and submit input from controls add a TABINDEX attribute, which is set to 1. Wait. Add a TABINDEX attribute set to 1 to the search input. TABINDEX set to 1. TABINDEX and the TABINDEX attribute set to 2 to the submit to. I don't know. TABINDEX attribute also specifies the exact tab order of elements. This is achieved when the value of the attribute is set to a positive number of 1 or higher. The tab order, what does that mean? Setting the TABINDEX will bring keyboard focus to that element first, then it cycles through the sequence. Oh, bring keyboard. So I'm assuming. Wait. Load. I don't know, right? Index attribute. TABINDEX attribute specifies the tab order, same definition. I thought it explained it a little better, but I guess not. TABINDEX attribute can be used in any HTML element. I guess not, I don't know. Alright, run tests. Alright, I'm all done with applied accessibility. Obviously I'll come back to it once I start needing certain features. I'll come back to different things and stuff. That's what I'm gonna start doing. I don't think there's a way for me to memorize every single little, every single little feature. Maybe after a lot of repetition, but as of right now, I'm learning. I'm a beginner, so. Next up, we got our responsive web design principles, so I'll do that tomorrow. I'm gonna stream it, but I'm not gonna upload it tomorrow. So that's gonna be all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, it's a lot faster today, huh? 26 minutes. Pretty decent. Yeah, I was trying to edit yesterday and it was acting up, bro, because I have like little. Let's see, how much space do I have on my? on my computer. I have almost no space, bro. When I edit one, because when you edit a video, right, you have to have your video, the raw video, and then you have to have the edited video. And also you're running the editor. So it's like, it takes up a lot of space. I mean, I have 17 gigabytes left. So it depends on the video. Some videos are like 3 gigabytes. Yeah, it depends. Yesterday's video was like 3.3 or something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna do right here. Y'all have a good ass day.